In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to run a sale on eBay. Running a sale can be a fantastic way to boost your visibility and increase sales, especially during key shopping seasons. Let's dive right into the process, step by step, to ensure you're equipped to create an effective sale event with ease. First, you'll need to navigate to the My eBay section. From there, proceed to Selling, then Marketing, and finally click on Discounts. This is your gateway to crafting engaging discount offers for your customers. Once you're on the Discounts page, look for the Create Discount button, click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, you'll want to select the Sale Event option. This choice allows you to promote your items effectively with the chosen discount parameters. Next, it's time to decide on the type of discount you'd like to offer. The drop-down menu will provide you with options such as percentage off, amount off, or opting for a sale event only. Choose the one that aligns with your promotional strategy and competitive analysis. After deciding on the type, input your discount value in the provided box. If you're opting for a percentage discount, for instance, inputting a value between 5% and 80% is typical. Make sure your values comply with the allowed range to prevent any errors during execution. You might encounter additional options on this page. There could be checkboxes that let you include skipped items when they become eligible in future sales. Another useful option is the ability to keep items in the sale and block any price revisions, ensuring consistent pricing during the sale period. Moving on to the duration section, this is where you'll set the timeline for your sale. You can utilize the calendar feature to select the start and end dates. By default, the start date is set as Start Now, while the end date extends 30 days from the start. However, you have the freedom to adjust these according to your strategy. For more control over the timing, you can customize these by expanding the Customize Time section. Here you can pick specific start and end times by adjusting them in increments of 1 hour, offering greater precision. Next, navigate to the Details section. Here, the offer name field will automatically populate based on existing settings. If you wish to make it more personalized, you're free to modify this, keeping in mind the character limit, which generally ranges from 52 to 90 characters. In the Inventory Selection section, you'll choose which items to include. Options range from all inventory to specific eBay categories, store categories, or individual items. By default, the selection is set to specific items for sale events. To choose specific items, click the Add link. This action opens another page where you can select individual items, utilize filters based on criteria like price range, item condition, or category, and even use a search feature for precision. Once you've made your selections, these items will be displayed on the main sale event page. Review and ensure everything is as planned, then proceed to launch your sale event. After launching, a confirmation message will appear on the screen indicating that your sale is active. This message will disappear after a few seconds, confirming your successful setup. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to running a successful sale on eBay.